Headers, footers, and pages. In most cases, all websites have a number of things in common. Understanding the terminology and getting the know-how of these concepts under the belt are important. In this core video, we look at headers, footers, and the actual page. Well, websites consist out of web pages. When you go to any site, you will inevitably land on a page, such as a home page, about us page, products and services, or a contact page. These are individual pages, and they are all created separately within WordPress. You'll find at the top of every web page an area like this. This is called the header. In this area, you typically find the business logo, a menu from which you can navigate between the various pages of the website, social media links, a search option, and even contact information. This is something that you should be familiar with already, as it's such a standard feature on every site. What is important is that you remember we call this a header. Then, when you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you will find the footer. Similar to the header, the footer usually contains standard features such as contact information, newsletter subscriptions, and links to pages on your website. Now, two things to remember about headers and footers. One, their content is displayed across the entire website, not only on that specific page. If I navigate from the services page to my Contact Us page, you will see the header and footer's contents remain unchanged. Second point to take note of is that the header and footer are structured and styled according to the theme you use. This is why themes play such a significant role in how your site looks when building sites within WordPress. We cover this in the video on themes in case you are confused as to what a theme is. Right, so at the top is the header and at the bottom is the footer, and these two are set by the theme you are using within WordPress. The last part we focus on in this video is the actual page. Well, everything between the header and the footer is the page. Whereas the header and the footer remain the same across the website, the page's content changes from one page to the next. Pages are created within WordPress, and the content is added via page builders, whether it's the WordPress editor or a third-party plugin. A quick recap then. Websites contain web pages. At the top of the web pages, you'll find an area with a logo, search function, and the menu to navigate between the various web pages. This is the header. At the bottom of the page is the footer. The footer may also contain similar content to the header. Headers and footers display the same contents across your website on all your web pages. Between them is the page area. This area is built out by the WordPress editor or by using a page builder. The contents of the page are unique to each page.